Are you struggle with dry, freezing hair, or you have high porosity like myself? Then this video is for you. So today we're gonna explore the world of Tulsi powder or holy basil powder, aka queen of herbs, for hair porosity with freezing dry hair. So this Tulsi powder or holy basil powder, you can see the image right here. This is known for years, used in the Indian religion, like region, for medicine, religion status, hair care. So this one is also good for in and out. It's good for tea, good for hair, good for the body. So right here is the nutrition information. Well, however, they say it's for consume anytime, perfect as either daily supplements, food, medicine, no medication use. They put that here, but for FDA. So now let's talk about hair porosity. Hair porosity mean you put the water, you wet your hair, and the hair get wet quickly, and then 2 days later the hair turn dry again. Like, oh, you can see myself right here. So with this one, we're gonna do a hair mask. But before I started, let's talk about the benefits of this one. What are you gonna do for us that have freezing hair porosity hair? Number one, moisture retention. So since we tend to lose moisture quickly, this one gonna lock in the moisture. Number two, strengthen hair, because my hair is weak, breezy, and freezing, dry. So this one strengthening from the roots to avoid breakage and all kind of stuff. And number three, promote healthy scalp, preventing dandruff and itchiness. And the last one, with the continued use of this Tulsi basil, you have a shiny, soft hair. All right, so how long you gonna use this one? You can use it 1 or 2 times per week. But if you are black like me, busy, you're gonna use it every time you get a chance to wash your hair. And use it as a tea rinse. You can drink it as a tea, and then you can use it as a hair mask. But today we're gonna use it as hair mask. So stay tuned. Come with guys, me. Right here, this is the Tulsi powder in the bag. I just opened it, so I'm gonna use some spoon. So I use 2 spoons right here like that. It has a strong smell, guys. You can see, you hear me get so right here. So for me, you remember the oil that I made is right here. So that's the one I'm gonna use. So for you, if you have a different hair type like other people, like frozen hair, like curry or other stuff, you're gonna use yogurt or honey. All right, I got honey, so I'm gonna use honey. And then this is my honey. This is my honey right here. So this is my honey boo boo. Okay. So let me just mix it up and I'll show you the application. Well, now I'm just gonna add my oil that I made. The video is already available long time ago, so I still have it right here. I'm just gonna pour it. And then, since it's still thick, I'm just gonna add water. Water do everything. So right here, see that? That's the mixture. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Slow down in it. Let me mix it up so I don't waste your time. Guys, this is the result. You can see it's already thick, creamy, no bump. So just realize the more you let it sit, the more you get thicker. So you see now? Now you're just gonna take this and apply.
So guys, see, this is all my hair. You see me? Everything is sharp. And guess what? See, look. I started to get in chunks. See? Forget about the armpits. Focus on the hair. You be moving. See, look. Right. See that? Baby. Don't say nothing. Don't hook you up. Because check it out. I'll be hooking you up, guys. Thank you for watching, baby. I'll see you. Remember,